Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I try to mix things up on this channel, have some non-phone, some phone customer service, some things that need experience, and some things that don't, trying to find a little bit of something for everyone, hoping that you all find the best work from home job that fits you. So today I have a company, MCI. Now they have 85 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, do your own research on any company before giving them your personal information. Out of those 85 reviews, they do have a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. They have open positions for work-at-home customer service representatives. Now, if you don't mind customer service, they are hiring 1,000 people across the United States and Canada, and they don't require any experience whatsoever. The links to their Glassdoor page, plus this application page, if you want to put that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, one thing I want to quickly note about this position, it says the salary is $14.50 an hour, and then down here it lists base pay $12.55 an hour to $13.50 an hour, and it says it also gives bonuses and contest incentives. So pay is really going to be dependent on a location because they're hiring across the United States and Canada. But they are basically looking for somebody to work their customer service line, help desk, technical support, and sales support lines. So you're going to handle those inbound customer inquiries and help them troubleshoot any basic technical issues they have. You'll be assisting the customers in adding and removing products and services to their list of stuff that they have. They have a full-time and part-time positions available, and they have schedules for days, nights, and they're open 7 days a week. So you can really make your own schedule and make a schedule that is going to fit you and work for you. Now, above doing the customer service, you're gonna have to attend meetings and trainings and review all the new training materials, staying up to date on all changes to the programs, systems, and processes. They are going to give you scripts to follow for the customer service and answering their questions. You're not going to go into it blindly. You're going to have scripts, policies, and procedures to read from to help the customer. Now, as far as what they're looking for, someone who's 18 years or older, high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. Someone who has good organization skills, good communication skills, can type 20 words per minute. Someone who can work those Microsoft Office systems, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook. Someone who has a basic understanding of a Windows operating system, how to use a computer. Someone who is good at troubleshooting skills and who can multitask and be customer service focused. That means being empathetic to the customer's problem, being responsive, and being patient with them. But no actual customer service experience is required. No experience at all is required. You do have to be authorized to either work in the United States or Canada, depending on the country you live in, and they want somebody who is willing to submit to a background check. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful for you, leave that down below as well. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.